Imagine a state-of-the-art automotive workshop on wheels that can be anywhere, anytime. Where do you even start? Space limitations, payload restraints are your first priorities, followed by noise and emissions. Introducing Ecube, the first ever ergonomically designed, lightweight mobile tire service solution and power source specifically developed for the fast-growing mobile service industry. As a platform allowing you to sell a variety of services to the next generation of vehicle owners looking for comfort and quality. Guaranteeing the operator a safe, healthy, and spacious working environment. Getting the wow factor from customers by offering them noise-free, fume-free, and fuel-free car services on their driveway. Ecube is developed, engineered, and manufactured in the Netherlands by tire and battery service experts. Highly compact and lightweight. Benefiting from a powerful modular multi-purpose battery bank. Equipped with German centering parts and Italian gearboxes. Benefiting from a service-friendly modular design that's easy to operate. Ecube is internationally acclaimed by various tire brands and their networks, car manufacturers, and fleet service providers. Is your business prepared for future mobility? Ecube, servicing future mobility, serving tomorrow's customers. The world's most technically advanced mobile tire service and onboard power solution. For details and specifications, visit our website, ecube-equipment.com, or contact us at eu@ecube-equipment.com.